Everyone was great. I enjoyed today. I thought it was this weekend. You know, that's like something I genuinely ask myself. Why do people you know the L-Star is trash. Ooh, that was a good one. That was for you, Renz. Let me open this up. Oh my god, excuse me. I mean, if y'all know me, y'all are gonna know that I burp all the time. I cannot. Truly, honestly. Excuse me. Who's going to TwitchCon? Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, there we go. It's a little better. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. No way. Excuse me. Don't tell me who this is. Excuse me. Oh my god. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh.
I don't judge. I mean, just
Get that cranium fast.
Ooh. Excuse me. There we go. I could feel it. Excuse me.
I'm not sure where they are.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, that was a good one. Excuse me. Dang it. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me.